Out in the big Atlantic Ocean, a bunch of islands pops up, made by volcanoes and covered in green plants. This is Madeira, a group of islands that belong to Portugal, with weather as warm and friendly as the people who live there. Here, tall cliffs drop into the swirling waves covered in bright flowers you won't find anywhere else. Thick forests, watered by special channels called levadas, cover the volcanic mountains, making a safe home for lots of special animals and plants. Whether you want an adventure in amazing places, to learn about a new culture, or just want lots of sunshine all year round, Madeira has loads of different things to do, just like its exciting land. Come with us as we explore this amazing place and find 10 great reasons why Madeira should be your next holiday. Our trip around Madeira starts with a party for our taste buds, a culinary adventure that promises to delight and surprise at every turn. This is a food journey that reveals the essence of this Atlantic treasure, showcasing its rich culinary heritage and the vibrant flavors that define it. Madeira is a dream for people who love food. Here, every meal is an opportunity to explore new tastes and textures, a paradise for the adventurous palate. Its cooking mixes Portuguese traditions with exciting island flavors. The chefs here are true artists, blending the old with the new to create dishes that are both familiar and exotic. From the deep ocean around the islands comes the special black scabbard fish. This unique fish, with its delicate texture and rich flavor, is a testament to the bounty of the Atlantic. People often eat its tasty meat with sweet bananas, something that shows how amazing the island's fruit and veg are. The combination of the savory fish and the sweet bananas is a perfect example of Madeira's innovative cuisine. If you go further into the island, you'll smell yummy meat cooking in restaurants, where espetada is the king of dishes. The aroma of grilling meat fills the air, inviting you to indulge in this local favorite. This traditional food is skewers of juicy beef, seasoned with garlic and bay leaves, cooked over a wood fire for a real taste of Madeira. The smoky flavor from the wood fire adds a depth to the meat that is simply irresistible. But no food trip to Madeira is complete without trying its famous wine. This wine is more than just a drink, it's a part of the island's history and culture. For hundreds of years, this special wine has been a favorite, with its rich, interesting flavors. Each sip tells a story of the volcanic soil and the meticulous care taken in its production. Whether you have it before dinner, after dinner, or with a yummy dessert, Madeira wine shows off the island's amazing volcanic earth and how good they are at making wine. The versatility of this wine makes it a perfect companion for any meal. It's like taking a sip of history. Each glass is a journey through time, a connection to the island's past and its enduring legacy of winemaking excellence. Madeira is more than just yummy food. This island is perfect for people who love nature. Everywhere you look, there's an amazing view, each one even better than the last. Madeira was made by volcanoes millions of years ago, and its land shows the awesome power of nature, shaped over time into a beautiful, rugged place. Tall cliffs covered in green plants rise up from the Atlantic, dropping straight into the swirling waves below. One of these amazing places is Cabo Girão, one of the highest sea cliffs in Europe. Brave visitors can stand on a platform with a glass floor, looking right down into the deep sea below, amazed by how big and powerful nature is. But Madeira's beauty isn't just about tall cliffs. Go further into the island and you'll find a different kind of amazing sight. Lush valleys made by old rivers wind through the middle of the island, covered in different shades of green. That's why Madeira is called the Island of Eternal Spring. And as we go further into the island, we find something really special: the levadas. These narrow water channels, often cut into the sides of the mountains, make a network over 1,350 miles long, like a big system of veins that has kept the island alive for hundreds of years. Madeira's volcanic slopes, while very pretty, don't make it easy for rainwater to reach everywhere. So clever people found a way. They catch the water high in the mountains and send it down, using gravity to help to water the plants below. Today, these clever channels are still used for watering plants, but they're also a great way to explore. Walking along the levadas, you see loads of different plants and animals, a beautiful show put on by nature. But Madeira's wonders aren't only on land. The sea around the island is full of life, with lots of different sea creatures to discover. As we sail out from the harbor, the deep blue sea stretches out in front of us, full of exciting possibilities. We can hear the calls of seabirds, Corey's shearwaters flying easily above, looking down for shiny fish, and then we see them, a group of bottlenose dolphins, swimming smoothly through the water. They jump and play around our boat, their happy calls echoing across the waves, showing us how much life there is under the sea. Even with all its amazing nature, it's the people of Madeira that make it so special. They are friendly, welcoming, and very proud of their home. As soon as you arrive, you'll see smiles as warm as the sunshine. People you don't know become your friends, and every conversation is a chance to connect and have a laugh. Whether you're walking through the busy markets of Funchal, the island's main city, or exploring the quiet streets of a small village high in the mountains, you'll find the same genuine warmth and generosity. From its beautiful land to its friendly people, Madeira really comes alive with its festivals and traditions. And maybe the best one is the yearly Flower Festival, an amazing show that turns the island into a rainbow of colors. Imagine streets decorated with beautiful carpets of flowers carefully made by local artists. The air is full of the lovely smell of lilies, orchids, and birds of paradise, their delicate petals arranged in beautiful patterns. This exciting celebration of spring shows how much Madeira loves its flowers, something they've looked after for many years. It's a time when locals and visitors come together to enjoy nature's art and the island's happy spirit. As the sun sets, making everything glow, the streets come alive with music and dancing. Traditional folk groups dressed in bright costumes parade through the towns, their rhythmic steps like the heartbeat of this lovely island. Madeira is often called the Island of Eternal Spring because its weather is as lovely as its views. It has a subtropical climate, so it's warm all year round, making it a perfect holiday spot whenever you want to go. Imagine getting off the plane into a world of soft, warm air, smelling of exotic flowers. The sun shines all the time, making long shadows across the green hills. Unlike lots of places with big changes between seasons, Madeira's weather stays pretty much the same. So whether you want a winter break from the cold or a summer adventure, you'll have nice weather and lots of sun. This great weather is mostly because of the warm currents of the Gulf Stream, which keep the temperature just right and make a perfect home for loads of different plants and animals. Just like Madeira's landscapes have something for everyone, so do its places to stay. Whether you want a super luxurious hotel, a charming local guest house, or your own place to cook, the island has something for every taste and budget. If you want a luxurious break, imagine waking up in a fancy hotel room overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. The sun shines through big windows, inviting you to go onto your balcony and breathe in the fresh sea air. Here you can enjoy amazing things, from relaxing spa treatments and delicious food, to fantastic service that looks after you perfectly. Spend your days by the pool, sipping cocktails as the sun goes down, or go out and explore the island, knowing you have a comfy place to come back to. But Madeira isn't just about relaxing walks and pretty views. This island is a paradise for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts. If you crave excitement and adrenaline, Madeira offers a plethora of activities that will get your heart racing and your spirits soaring. If you like adventure, this island has something different for you. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of a cliff, the wind whipping through your hair as you prepare to leap into the unknown. The sense of freedom and exhilaration is unmatched. Get ready for lots of exciting activities, each one more thrilling than the last. Whether it's soaring through the skies, diving into the depths of the ocean, or navigating through rugged terrains, Madeira has it all. Here, amidst the rugged landscapes and dramatic coastlines, adrenaline junkies can truly embrace the raw power of nature. The island's diverse topography provides the perfect backdrop for a variety of extreme sports. From the top of Pico Ruivo, Madeira's highest mountain, you can go paragliding. As you take off, the world below transforms into a breathtaking panorama of green valleys and blue waters. Flying above the clouds, you'll see amazing views of the island, a mix of green valleys and blue waters stretching out below. The sensation of gliding through the air, with the wind in your face and the vast expanse of nature beneath you, is truly unforgettable. If you prefer to stay closer to the ground, canyoning is just as exciting. This activity combines hiking, climbing, and swimming, offering a full-body workout and an adrenaline rush. Go down waterfalls, abseil down steep rocks, and explore narrow gorges made by erosion. Each descent is a new challenge, and each pool of water a refreshing reward. Every turn shows you hidden wonders, showing how powerful the forces that shape this dramatic landscape are. The sense of discovery and the thrill of navigating through these natural obstacles make canyoning an unforgettable experience. And if you love bikes, Madeira's mountain biking trails are waiting for you. The island's varied terrain offers trails for all skill levels, from gentle rides through lush forests to challenging routes that test your endurance and technical skills. From easy slopes through eucalyptus forests to difficult downhill rides with hairpin bends and rocky paths, there's a trail for everyone. The thrill of speeding down a mountain, navigating sharp turns, and tackling rocky paths is a rush like no other. Section 2. Riding the waves. But the adventure doesn't stop on land. Madeira's coastal waters offer a playground for surfers with waves that challenge even the most experienced riders. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner looking to catch your first wave, the island's surf spots provide the perfect conditions for an exhilarating ride. But among the steep mountains and crashing waves, there's a different kind of beauty. This beauty is not just in the dramatic landscapes or the powerful ocean, but in the vibrant life that thrives here. Madeira, often referred to as the Island of Eternal Spring, is a paradise for plant lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. The island's unique climate and fertile volcanic soil create the perfect conditions for a diverse array of flora to flourish. Madeira, the Island of Eternal Spring, is perfect for people who love plants. The island's gardens are a testament to its botanical richness, showcasing a stunning variety of flowers and plants that bloom throughout the year. From the moment you step into one of these gardens, you are greeted by a symphony of colors and fragrances that captivate the senses. Its subtropical climate and rich volcanic earth are great for lots of different flowers to grow. The volcanic soil, rich in minerals, provides the perfect foundation for a wide range of plant species. This fertile ground, combined with the island's mild temperatures and abundant rainfall, creates an environment where plants can thrive year-round. All over the island, bright flowers make the landscape a rainbow of colors. The vibrant hues of the flowers contrast beautifully with the lush greenery of the island, creating a picturesque scene that looks like it has been painted by an artist. Every corner of Madeira is adorned with these natural works of art, making it a true paradise for photographers and nature lovers. Bougainvillea grows over walls, its petals bright pink and purple. These hardy plants are a common sight in Madeira, their vibrant colors adding a touch of exotic beauty to the island's architecture. The sight of bougainvillea cascading over walls and trellises is a quintessential part of Madeira's charm. Bird of paradise flowers, with their amazing orange and blue colors, reach up to the sun. These striking flowers, with their unique shape and vivid colors, are a symbol of Madeira's tropical allure. They stand tall and proud, their bright petals reaching towards the sky, embodying the island's spirit of resilience and beauty. And delicate orchids in shades of lavender, white, and dark purple add a touch of elegance to the green landscape. Orchids are known for their intricate and delicate beauty, and in Madeira, they flourish in abundance. Their presence adds a layer of sophistication to the island's natural beauty, making every garden a place of wonder and delight. But it's not just the individual flowers that are amazing. The true magic of Madeira lies in the way these flowers come together to create breathtaking landscapes. Each garden is a carefully curated masterpiece, where every plant and flower plays a part in the overall harmony and beauty of the scene. Madeira has lots of beautiful gardens, each one showing how good the island is at growing plants. These gardens are not just places to admire nature's beauty, but also spaces for learning and discovery. They showcase the island's rich botanical heritage and its commitment to preserving and celebrating its natural environment. These botanical havens are a peaceful place for plants and people, a place to escape everyday life and connect with nature. In these tranquil settings, visitors can take a leisurely stroll, breathe in the fresh air, and find solace in the beauty that surrounds them. The gardens of Madeira offer a sanctuary for the soul, a place where one can find peace and inspiration. One of these places is the Monte Palace Tropical Garden, a green oasis high above Funchal, Madeira's capital city. This garden is a true gem, offering stunning views of the city and the ocean beyond. It is a place where the beauty of nature and the artistry of garden design come together in perfect harmony. As you walk along its paths, surrounded by exotic plants from all over the world, It's easy to forget that you're near a city. The Monte Palace Tropical Garden is a world unto itself, a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and find a moment of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 2. A botanical tapestry. The gardens of Madeira are like a living tapestry, each one a unique and intricate work of art. They are a testament to the island's natural beauty and the dedication of those who care for them. In these gardens, the spirit of Madeira comes alive, offering a glimpse into the island's rich botanical heritage and its enduring connection to nature. From the tall mountains to the deep ocean, from exciting adventures to peaceful gardens, Madeira is a truly unforgettable place. It's an island that excites your senses, makes you feel good, and stays with you long after you leave. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and discover the magic of Madeira for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. See you in the next video.